Hey there homeowners, you're watching 5 Best Products, and today we're going to show you some of the best dehumidifiers for basements. We made this list based on research, popularity, our own opinion, and much more. For pricing and more information on these dehumidifiers, feel free to check out the links in the video description. And lastly, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel so that you never miss a daily product video from us. Alright homeowners, so the first dehumidifier that we're going to show you guys today, coming in at our number 5 spot, we've got the Frigidaire 30 Pint Dehumidifier. Next up on our list, coming in at number 4, we've got the Frigidaire 22 Pint High Efficiency Dehumidifier. And coming up next at number 3 on our list, we've got the LG PuriCare 50 Pint Dehumidifier. Next up at number 2 on our list, we've got the GE Appliances 49.5 Pint Dehumidifier. And last but not least, at our number 1 spot, we've got the Frigidaire 50 Pint High Efficiency Dehumidifier. Alright homeowners, so now that we're at the end of the video, let us know in the comment section which dehumidifier you think you would like the best out of these 5. In addition, don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you aren't already, and check out the next slide for related videos that you just might be interested in, or check out our videos page to see hundreds more videos that are just like this one.